Many dream of wealth and prosperity, yet few achieve it. This video explores how to reshape your relationship with money, drawing on insights inspired by Warren Buffett's advice. Discover the steps to financial success and learn how to cultivate a mindset that attracts wealth. Before we dive in, if you've ever considered investing, the first link in the description will lead you to Interactive Brokers, the platform I personally use and highly recommend for its robust features and competitive pricing. While wealth is a universal aspiration, many struggle to achieve it. Understanding the mindset shift is crucial. Believing in the possibility of wealth opens doors and encourages action. This journey requires more than just positive thinking. It demands continuous learning, adaptation, and proactive pursuit of opportunities. Questioning our financial education. Many people have never received proper financial education. Schools often neglect this vital subject. They focus on subjects that seem more important. Yet when it comes to managing money, most people feel lost. This lack of education can lead to poor financial choices. It is essential to question the education we received. Have you ever wondered why schools do not teach about budgeting, investing, or saving? These are crucial skills for navigating life. Understanding how to manage money is vital for survival in today's world. Those who are financially literate make better choices. They plan for the future and avoid unnecessary debt. To change your financial situation, start by educating yourself. Seek out resources that teach financial literacy. Books, online courses, and workshops can provide valuable insights. The more you learn, the better equipped you will be to manage your money. Don't rely solely on traditional education. Take charge of your financial education. Warren Buffett has said that investing in yourself is the best education you can get, and that learning at a young age can help secure your future. Rethinking money, good or bad? Money is a tool, neither inherently good nor evil. Society's negative perception of money can hinder wealth attraction. By shifting your perspective and viewing money as a means to create positive impact and achieve your goals, you can unlock new opportunities and achieve greater financial success. The truth about rich people. There is a common misconception that all rich people are dishonest. This stereotype is damaging. It creates a barrier between the wealthy and those striving for success. In reality, many wealthy individuals are hardworking and honest. They built their fortunes through dedication and perseverance. It is essential to separate fact from fiction. While some individuals may have unethical practices, they do not represent the majority. Most wealthy people are trusted in their communities. They give back and support charitable causes. Understanding this can change how you perceive wealth. When you admire successful individuals, focus on their qualities. Look at their work ethic and determination. Learn from their successes and failures. Instead of resenting the rich, aspire to join their ranks. You can achieve your financial goals through hard work and integrity. Mastering money. Control versus servitude. Money should be a servant, not a master. This distinction is critical for financial success. When you master money, you control your financial destiny. You make informed decisions that align with your values and goals. On the other hand, if money controls you, it leads to stress and anxiety. To master money, start by tracking your income and expenses. Know exactly where your money goes each month. Create a budget that reflects your priorities. This practice empowers you to make choices that support your financial goals. Additionally, be mindful of your spending habits. Ask yourself if each purchase aligns with your values. Avoid impulsive decisions that can lead to regret. By taking control of your finances, you create a sense of security and freedom. Understanding financial levels. Financial levels help classify where you stand in your financial journey. It is essential to understand these levels to make informed decisions. The first level is living paycheck to paycheck. This situation often leads to stress and anxiety. It is a cycle that many find difficult to escape. The second level is managing to pay bills but having nothing left over. This is not true financial freedom. It is merely survival. The third level involves saving some money but not knowing how to invest it wisely. Many people find themselves in this position, unsure of how to grow their wealth. The fourth financial level is where you want to be. In this level, you receive a salary, pay bills, save, and invest your surplus. This level provides a foundation for financial growth. It allows you to build wealth over time. Understanding these levels can guide your financial decisions. The 5 levels of money. Understanding money is crucial. It is not just about earning, it involves multiple levels. The first level is earning. This is non-negotiable. You must find a way to earn money. Earning is the foundation of your financial journey. The second level is investing. Once you earn, set aside a portion to invest. This helps your money grow over time. Even a small amount can make a difference. Start investing as soon as possible. If you're truly curious about investing, I've found Interactive Broker's platform helpful in my own journey. You can find it linked below. Go ahead and check it out. The third level is saving. Before spending, ask yourself if you truly need the item. Most of the time, you will find that you can save. Saving is essential for financial stability. The fourth level involves tithing. Set aside part of your money for personal tithing. This practice attracts more wealth into your life. It creates a positive cycle of giving and receiving. The fifth level is spending. Use your money wisely to pay debts and treat yourself. Balance is key. Understand that money should flow through these 5 levels to build wealth. Evolving with the digital age. The world is changing rapidly. The digital age has transformed how we work. In the past, land and factories were the keys to wealth. Today, information is the new currency. Those who adapt to this digital landscape thrive. The internet offers endless opportunities. You can create content, sell products, and reach global audiences. It requires little to start. A simple device can launch your digital journey. Embrace this new era and explore its potential. The digital age is not just a trend, it is a lasting change. Digital content creation is a powerful avenue for income. It allows you to reach millions without traditional barriers. You do not need formal education or specific skills to begin. Think about influencers. They can earn vast amounts by sharing their knowledge or experiences. Their reach is immense, impacting thousands or even millions. By creating valuable content, you can generate income. Focus on what you know. Share that knowledge with others. The internet rewards those who provide value. Generating value in today's economy. In today's economy, generating value is paramount. The more value you create, the more you can earn. Think about how you can solve problems for others. Consider various avenues. Whether through products, services, or content, your goal is to create value. People will pay for solutions to their problems. Stay adaptable. The economy evolves, and so should you. Embrace changes and seek new ways to generate value. This proactive approach will set you apart in a competitive landscape. I've been using Interactive Brokers for my own investments, and I've found their platform to be quite helpful. The link is in the first link of the video description if you're interested in exploring further.